As a parent, you always want to see your kids to be happy and healthy. And this applies for everything you do for your children, including toys. Hello mommies and daddies, welcome back to my channel Mom and Baby. If you are new here, you are most welcome. My name is Sarita and I am a mother of 20 months old baby girl. I normally prepare video on child care, mother care and family care in general. So if you are interested, please give your love by hitting the like button and subscribing our channel, and also hit the bell icon for our regular updates. Let's become a big family soon. Christmas is around the corner, and as a parent, you might be thinking different gift ideas for your children. Personally, whenever I am buying any toys for my child, I like to go for the educational one, which will allow children to practice skills that use their arms, legs, hands, intelligence, imagination, and so many things. In addition to this, educational toys engage your child for longer time, and more importantly, the impact of educational gift ideas last for a lifetime. Every child is different, so go through the whole list to find which will benefit your child's intelligence the best. Parents' participation stimulates child's interest immediately. Therefore, for best effect, play with your child and show your little one the many creative ways to play with the same toys. In this video, I am going to share with you some toys that you can give to your child from 0 to 3 years of age. So, without further ado, let's get started. There are so many milestones in the initial phase of child's life, such as smile, simple words, walk, talk, express their opinion, and so on. Children learn so many things, such as how to control their bodies, social interactions, shapes, color, sizes, and countless other important lessons through play. Because children's main important things to do is eat, play, sleep. Let's see the toys now. The first year's stack up cup toys. Stacking cups are very simple, all-time favorite, inexpensive, classic baby's toys that will keep your baby entertained and engaged for a long period of time. Your baby can do and learn so many things with this sort of toy, such as fitting them together, stacking them up, turning them over, or hide them underneath each other. Therefore, this sort of toy will help in so many developmental ways, such as developing of high and eye coordination, motor skills, problem solving, and even helps in development of language if you play with your child together. Baby's first blocks and rock stock bundle. Bright colored blocks are great toys for babies because it helps your child to learn shapes, sizes, and colors. Babies love putting blocks in the bucket or just tossing them around. The shape sorter introduces them to early problem solving skills in a fun way. The stacking toy teaches babies the mathematical concept, which involves organizing or ordering things in a logical or in a serial way, as per the size of the toys. Sit to stand learning walker. This walker encourages new walker or 9 months or older babies to stand and walk. This colorful toy has lot of activities which engages the crawlers in sensory stimulation play for long periods of time, whether they are sitting or standing. This toy makes sounds and react to baby's action, which give babies sense of control and develop their sensory skills and coordination. And of course, babies love pushing walker all over the house. This definitely helps your baby to learn how to walk, and it's very safe in compare to the other type of walker. My baby used to love this from the start, and she is in love with it till now. You can even take off the front part and encourage your baby to play with it if your baby has already started walking, or if not, then also you can do so. Therefore, even the single walker can help baby to play in so many ways. Sensory teether toy. Teether toy is a must-have toys for children because it helps to soothe your baby's sore gum and teeth. This also will delight and stimulate your baby's vision because of so many colors in it. This toy is made of BPA-free continuous plastic loops that also promotes clutching and two-handed play. There is also a center cube that is a pleasant rattle that teaches your baby about sound, cause and effect. Building blocks toys for toddlers. Grabbing, stacking and sorting are the right in toddlers' wheelhouse, and the sturdy blocks are not only easy to attach together to form shapes and towers but also very easy to destroy. Therefore, kids love doing this. These toys are key for developing problem solving skills, learning to recognize colors and shapes. Your child can build whatever creativity inspires him or her and also offers hours of fun. In addition to using his or her creativity, your little one exercises his or her fine motor skills and engages in open-ended play. The best toys for your toddler are those that involves open-ended play since it leaves playing to the imagination. So your child can be creative from the early stage. If your children are busy in playing some creativity things, then it will be good for you. At least you can have a cup of coffee while your children are playing. Busy Town Wooden Activity Cube. This toy offers a variety of activities in the wooden cube of 5 sides. The multicolored curvy wire rides, peekaboo doors, spin and match animals, turn and learn ABC word. Tiles and racing rollers will provide various mental, visual and tactical stimulations. Playing with this feature-filled toy will provide fun and keep your child engaged for long period of time. So this toy not only help to engage your child just for the play but also help to encourage in developmental of so many things. So whenever you are buying any sort of toys, just think what sort of benefit will my child get. Anyway, most of the toys have so many skills developmental phase, but you need to find out what are the best educational toys that suits your babies. There are so many toys in the market as per the age of the babies. So if you want me to do any sort of videos on those topics, please let me know in the comment section below. It is very important to introduce the toys that are specific to the age of your baby so that it will not only help your baby to engage or just play, but at the same time it helps your baby for so many developmental skills as I have mentioned in this video. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And also please let me know in the comment section below how is your experience going on with the toys that I have mentioned in this video. Or if you have any sort of other suggestions or recommendation, please let me know in the comment section, because I believe sharing is caring. Until we meet in our next video, take care and bye bye.